Hello everyone, so Zeera Wireless recently sent me their latest wireless charger. It's called the Voxn and it comes in this very nice premium packaging. So let's open the box and see what's inside. Inside the box we get the user manual, a high quality 2-meter long nylon braided USB-C to USB-C cable, and the wireless charger. The Voxn has a very nice and unique design. The base feels high quality even though it's made of plastic, and on top of the base it has a soft leather finish which feels very nice and premium to the touch. On the bottom it has 4 rubber feet so it won't slide and it won't damage whatever surface you put it on. The base is weighted so the charger doesn't tumble when I try to remove my iPhone from the MagSafe charger with one hand. This MagSafe charger stand differentiates itself from the competition not only in design but also in the features it offers. On the left side it has the MagSafe compatible stand which is adjustable so it allows you to place your iPhone in different angles. In the middle it has the 5-watt Apple Watch stand charger. And on the right side it has a MagSafe charging platform, which is something I really like because most 3-in-1 wireless chargers come with only one MagSafe compatible charger, but this one has 2. That means that whichever puck I choose to charge my device with, it'll be perfectly aligned every time. On the back of the stands, it has LED lights and they are controlled with this orange button. They have 3 different bright modes, high, medium, and low, which makes it perfect to use as a nightlight beside your bed. The orange button has another function. If you're not using the wireless charger, press and hold the orange button for 3 seconds and it'll turn off the wireless charger. To turn it back on, just press and hold the button for 3 seconds again. On the back, it has a 10-watt USB-A connection to charge a 4th device like an iPad, power bank, or a light like this one. If the LED light indicator on the front bothers you while sleeping or you just don't want to look at it anymore, there is a switch on the bottom to turn it on and off. Just flip the switch and it's gone. This wireless charger has the most features out of all the previous wireless chargers I have ever seen and used. So I think it's time to say goodbye to my old charger and replace it with the Voxn. The price of this charger as of today is $75.99, which is a very good price for what you're getting. Other premium brand chargers with the same amount of features, if not less, are priced at $100 or more. In conclusion, this is my new favorite charger out of all the wireless chargers I have ever used because of its unique design and features. So what do you think? Do you like it? Not like it? Leave a comment below and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. See you on the next one.